Hello, I'm Kate and I'm here to show you how to cancel a sent friend request on Facebook. Now, you first launch the app and then you click on profile icon. Good. You scroll down to friends. You click on find friends, which is in front of friends here. Good. Then you click on friend requests, top right corner. Now the list of your friend requests will appear here, but you don't need your friend request. You're looking for those you sent a friend request to. So click on the three dots at the top right corner over here. View sent request. Click on it. You see the sent request is showing with the person's name. So you cancel. Click on cancel, and the request is cancelled. Simple. Now, if for one reason or the other, the person that a cancel option doesn't show, it means the person has already accepted your friend request. What you do is you go to the profile of the person you send a friend request to it, to click on the three dots in front of it and unfriend the person. That's it. Till next time, bye.